Hello dear students, once again welcome back to mathematics class, and today onwards we are going to begin with the online classes. Dear students, in previous class we discussed the time lesson, and today I am going to start a new lesson of class 4, and that is money. Dear students, without money we can't live our life. In day to day life we are using money. If you want to purchase clothes or stationery items, whatever you want to purchase, no, the money is important. So here you have to know, here also you have a smaller unit and bigger unit. So here in this chapter you are going to learn the conversion of rupees and paise. To convert this you have to know which one is a greater unit and which one is a smaller unit. So dear students, see here 1 rupees is equal to 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. How much is there? 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Here rupees is a bigger unit and paise is a smaller unit, isn't it? So here in this class you are learning conversion of rupees and paise. On that basis I am going to solve some examples. So let us start conversion of rupee and paise. Conversion of rupee and paise. Rupees and paise. Dear students, already you know 1 rupees is equal to 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. To conversion, this is very important. Already I taught when I was teaching metric measurements, when you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, no, you need to multiply, and when you are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, you need to divide. This should be in your mind. So this is very important when you are converting rupees to paise and paise to rupees. Okay, so here first we will learn converting rupees to paise. Converting rupees to paise means bigger unit to smaller unit. If you know this, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. When we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, you need to multiply, and when you are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, no, division. If it is there in your mind, then you can solve these examples. So while watching the video, see properly, see carefully, and do it, practice it. Okay, so here first is conversion of, the first is converting rupees to paise. Converting rupees to paise. So let us take one example from your textbook. I will take here 3 rupees 25 paisa. 3 rupees 25 paisa. 3 rupees 25 paisa. You have to convert this to what? See here, dear students, this is the symbol of rupees. This is the symbol of rupees, or if you are writing, this is also correct. This is the symbol of rupees, and this is also a symbol of rupees. I hope you are getting my point. Here rupees 3.25 is there. Then how to convert this? So here already you know 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Dear students, this is there now rupees and this is paise. Okay, so it is there already in paise, means there is no need to change, just you have to change this rupees. Here the question is there, convert rupees to paise. So here for example 4.26 is there, this is rupees and this is paise. The whole part is there, no, that is rupees, and the decimal part is there, no, that is paise. I hope you are getting my point. So see here 3 rupees 25 paise. So here 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, then 3 rupees is equal to 3 into 100 plus this 25 paise you write as it is. I hope you are getting my point. Why I wrote here 100? Because 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So take here 3 in 1 za 3 and this 2 zeros as it is, or you can take 100 3 za 300 plus 300 paisa converted plus 25 paise. Dear students, if you can't add this horizontally, do this as a rough work. 300 plus 25. So add this. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. And this 3 you keep as it is and write here 325 paise. I hope you are getting my point. First I took here rupees 3 rupees 25 paise. So this whole part represents the rupees and this decimal part represents the paise. Okay, so here you take 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise and 3 rupees is equal to 3 into 100 plus 25 paise. You multiply this, 100 3s are 300 plus 25. After adding this you get here 325 paise. Okay, clear? I will solve one more example from your textbook. So here I will take here 4 rupees. The question is there, convert rupees 4 rupees 30 paise in paise. Okay, here also same procedure. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 4 rupees is equal to 4 into 100 plus how much is there here? 30 paise. Already I told this is whole part and this is decimal part. Whole part represents rupees and this decimal part represents paise. So take here 4 into 100 is 400 plus 400 paise plus 30 paise. After adding this you get here 430 paise. Clear? So this kind of examples are there in my practice time 1. Dear students, while solving in home, you solve whichever examples I solved on the board, then you go through the textbook examples. Okay. Next, I will take one example from your my practice time 1. Dear students, here they given 8 examples. How many examples? 8 examples. Among them I will solve here 2 and remaining all you do as a homework and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. So I will take here 2 examples. I will take A1, 8 rupees 50 paise, 8 rupees 50 paise, and one more is 3 rupees 25 paise, 3 rupees 25 paise. Here also same procedure. This represents the rupees, this represents the paise, rupees paise. So take here 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, and take here 8 rupees is equal to 8 into 100 paise, 8 into 100 plus 50 paise. 800 za 800 plus 50 paise. Okay, so this is also there in paise. 800 plus 50 is 850 paise. So here after converting 8 rupees 50 paise is 850 paise. Dear students, here I am converting bigger unit to smaller unit, so I am multiplying here. So here next one more example. Here also same procedure. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 3 rupees is equal to 3 into 100 plus 25 paise. So multiply here 300 plus 25. After adding this 325 paise. This type you are going to convert rupees to paise. Next here I am taking one more example, change to rupees. See here I converted rupees to paise. Now paise to rupees. Now paise to rupees. Yes, and one more thing, here I am converting smaller unit to bigger unit, means you need to multiply. So let us take here some examples from your my practice time 2. So dear students, first question is 325 paise. 325 paise is there. 325 paise. So let's take here, already you know 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise is there. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa already is there. I am converting here 325 paise to rupees. Then what we have to do? 325 paise is equal to 325 divided by 100. Why I took here 100? Understood? If you will divide with 100, you will get rupees in the given example. So already you know, dear students, converting while teaching the decimals lessons, I taught how we are converting fractions to decimal. So this is there in decimal form. So this is very easy. First you write the numerator as it is, 325, and just see in denominator how many zeros are there. 2 zeros are there. Then you have to give after 2 digit here point. So here this represents the rupees and this represents the paise. Then how much it is? 3 rupees 25 paise. If you are writing this is also correct, and if you are writing rupees is equal to 3 rupees 25 paise, this is also correct. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so this type you are going to understand. When you are converting rupees to paise, multiply. Here I am converting paise to rupees, divide. Okay, here also, dear students, here you have 8 students. Among them I am solving here 2. 1 already is there on the board. So next take one more example. I will take here 510 paise. 510 paise. Then take here again you have to repeat the same procedure. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, and 510 paise is equal to 510 divided by 100. So how we are writing? You keep the numerator as it is, 510. After 2 digit you give the point, 5.10. So how it is? This is rupees, 5 rupees 10 paise. Okay, clear? Next, here same procedure. Same procedure you have to follow, but only digits are different. So let us take one more example. I will take here 645 paise. 645 paise. Here also same procedure. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 645 paise is equal to 645 divided by 100. So here you keep the numerator as it is, 645. After how many digit? 0, 2 digit. Okay, 6.45 rupees. So if you are writing rupees, 6.45 rupees. I hope today's class you understood. Here conversion is there, rupees to paise and paise to rupees. Solve my practice time 1 neat and clean from page number 121 and solve and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. This time be serious with your studies. Do practice in home. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.